Good morning, doctor. My name is Tanzan Lee, and today I will be presenting my OOP project, the title of Food Ordering System with Promotions. So, the goal of this system is to simulate a basic food ordering experience that include the both offline and online orders, and it will allow the customer to apply the different type of discount promotion. So next, I will create a three class for my promotion, the package. So the first superclass is the promotion interface with three methods. The first is the get code. It will return the promo code. And the second is the apply double total. It will apply the discount logic. And the third is the show details. It will display the promotion details. So this interface allow me to define the multiple promotion type while enforcing a consistent structure. Okay, so now we can see the second class. Okay, so this is the subclass. It is the fixed discount promo. So discount implement the promotion interface. It has attribute like code and the discount amount. In the apply method, the discount is so in this apply method, the discount is applied only if the total is 50 ringgit or more. For example, with the promo code save IM10, it subtract IM10 from the total if illegible. So if not, it simplifies show a message that the promo is not applicable. Something like this output, this two. So if more than 50, it will apply discount. If too low, it will show rejection and return to the original price. Okay, so now let's go to the second subclass, the percentage discount promo. So this class also implement the promotion interface. Instead of a fixed discount, it use a discount rate such as 20% or 50%. So the discount is only applied if the total is more than 30 ringgit or more. For instance, if the promo code is save20 and the total is 100, it will apply I'm 20 off. So otherwise, the system will show a rejection message if the threshold is not met. So I do a line in here, the void show details. It will print out if the save 10, it will apply 10% off. Okay, next, let's we move to the main method. And this way, I create an abstract class called the food with two common attribute, the name and price. It also have an attribute method prepare, which must be implemented by all subclasses. Two concrete subclass will create it is the pizza and the burger. So it's here, each subclass will provide its own implementation of the prepare method to simulate food preparations. Okay, so next we can see the interface order. I use the interface name order with one method, order food. Then I implemented this interface into two classes. The first is the online order, and the second one is the offline order. The online order is you add 1 ringgit as a service fee for online order, and the offline order is add 2 ringgit as a counter service fee. Using the interface, it will allow me to switch easily between order type using polymorphism. Okay, so next is the class customer. So the customer class, it will represent each individual user. It store the user customer name and order type. It will use a static attribute grand total to accumulate total sales across all order, which is update whenever a new order is placed. So in this main method, I create two customers, the Ahmad order online and the Alice order offline. Both order one pizza and one burger. Then the total is calculated, and then I will apply two type of promo codes, one fixed and one percentage. The system will print out the upload total along with the messaging, confirming whether the promo code was successfully applied. So through this project, I will learn how to design an interface and use the polymorphism and more to apply the different logic dynamically. And it helped me to separate the responsibility clearly using abstraction. And it will help me to use the inheritance to create concrete food classes. So I use the ChatGPT as a tutor to guide me in creating well-structured class relationship and writing clean meta logic and debugging the syntax. It also helping in naming convention and print the output formatting. Then I also have Benjamin to help me fix the error the ChatGPT do the wrong one for me, so it can successfully run. So now let me run this program first. So now let me run it one more time. Yeah, so now can see the output. The upper is the main, and this three line is the promotion that I do. Can see the promo code. Save item 10 apply. It was 10 ringgit off, and the current price is 114.5. And the promo code save 20%. It will apply 20% off. The current price will be 99.6 ringgit. So in conclusion, this food ordering project helped me practice co-op principle in the real world scenario. So I successfully applied the abstraction, inherited interfaces, and the polymorphism. We're also adding custom logic for service fee and the discount strategy. So thank you for Dr. Time, and I hope you enjoy my presentation.